Hi, I'm Lindsay.
Emily.
And I'm Ashley. Okay, we're making a video about all our exes and Joe. He's an exception.
We want you to know it's nothing personal. We're not mad at anybody on these videos, but we're just doing it for fun.
So no revenge, just fun.
Yes.
Basically just our impressions of you throughout our time together.
And our stories.
And we will be making so much fun about them.
But
it's just the flaws that made you stand out that you were just so oblivious to, and we tried to hide. Yeah, we really did try to hide them, but it was just really hard.
Yeah. And yeah, it was pretty bad.
Okay, we will start naming the boys. There's 4.
We
there's
can't name
15 in
anyone
all.
though. We're not gonna tell anyone's name.
We're just gonna tell you that there's 15.
Yeah. That's a lot for all 4 of us.
Yeah. Some of us have repeated, so there's technically more. They're just 15 different guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely repeats. Yeah. That's really sad. We've gone out with the same guy.
So we would like to start off with somebody.
And that we will explain in the next video.